Linking your bank account to Huntington Bankshares can streamline your banking experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your accounts. Step 1. Access your Huntington account. Log into your Huntington Bankshares online banking account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and personal information. Step 3. Select Link New Account. In the account settings section, find the option to link new account or add external account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Submit or Save changes to complete the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Huntington Bankshares. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.